Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Brain.
We're really happy you're here with us today because we're talking about something important: how to change your life for the better in 2026.
This is English listening practice, but it's also life practice.
You can improve your English and your life at the same time.
If you want 2026 to be a little better than last year, stay with us until the end.
Today, you'll learn 6 simple steps to change your life in 2026 with easy English you can understand.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English through real conversations like this, please like this video now.
And subscribe to the English Brain so you don't miss our weekly podcast lessons. Your support really helps this channel grow.
Let's start with a question for you.
When you think about your life right now, what is one thing you would like to change in 2026?
Maybe you want to change your health, your job, your habits, or your relationships.
Maybe you want to feel less stressed and more peaceful.
Many people think change must be big and fast.
But real change is usually small and slow.
In this episode, we will talk about 6 simple steps.
You don't need to do everything perfectly. Even small actions can make a big difference in one year.
The first step is simple but powerful. Get clear about what you want.
If you don't know what you want, it's hard to change your life.
Many people say, I want a better life, but that's too big and too vague.
Better can mean many things: more money, more time, more health, more peace.
So, step 1 is to ask yourself, what does better mean for me in 2026?
Is it better health, better English, better relationships, more free time?
Try this simple English sentence. In 2026, I want my life to be more, and add your word.
For example, in 2026, I want my life to be more healthy.
Or, in 2026, I want my life to be more peaceful.
Let's do a short dialogue.
In 2026, what do you want your life to be more like?
In 2026, I want my life to be more balanced.
What does balanced mean for you?
It means less stress, more rest, and more time for the people I love.
Now you, listening, think of one word: healthy, calm, happy, simple, free, balanced.
Say this sentence: in 2026, I want my life to be more,
Step 2 is to choose one area to focus on.
not 5, not 10, just one.
When we try to change everything, we change nothing.
It's like trying to learn guitar, Spanish, cooking, and coding all at the same time.
So ask yourself, what is the one area that would make the biggest difference if it improved?
For example, health, English, money, work, relationships, mental health.
Try this simple sentence. The main area I want to improve in 2026 is.
For example, the main area I want to improve in 2026 is my English.
Or, the main area I want to improve in 2026 is my health.
Listen to this mini dialogue.
You said you want a more balanced life. What is one area you want to improve first?
The main area I want to improve in 2026 is my health.
Why health?
Because when I feel healthy, everything else in my life feels easier.
That makes sense.
Now you, listening, think of one word: healthy, calm, happy, simple, free, balanced.
Say this sentence. In 2026, I want my life to be more. Step 4 is very useful for you as an English learner.
Add your life to your English and your English to your life.
Many people separate English from their real life.
They think English only lives in books, apps, or classrooms.
But your life is the best textbook.
You can talk about your goals, your plans, your problems, your progress, all in English.
Try these sentences. In 2026, I want to.
This year, I'm planning to,
For example, in 2026, I want to feel more confident when I speak English.
or this year, I'm planning to listen to English every day while I cook or clean.
Let's make a short English and life dialogue. What kind of life change do you want in 2026?
In 2026, I want to feel calmer and more organized.
And how does English fit into that?
This year, I'm planning to use English podcasts to relax and learn at the same time.
That's a good idea.
I can improve my mind and my language together.
You, listening, can do the same.
Take your real goals and practice talking about them in simple English.
Step 5. Expect bad days and keep going.
Many people think if I miss one day, I fail.
But bad days are part of the process.
Change is not a straight line, it's up and down.
You need a sentence for these moments.
A sentence that helps you continue instead of giving up.
Try this. I had a bad day, but I'm not giving up.
I missed a few days, but I'm going to start again today.
Let's listen to a realistic conversation. How is your 2026 health goal going?
Honestly, I had a bad week. I didn't exercise and I ate a lot of junk food.
That happens. What are you going to do now?
I had a bad week, but I'm not giving up. I'm going to start again today.
That's the most important part.
Yes, starting again is more important than being perfect.
Now, repeat after us.
I had a bad day, but I'm not giving up.
I had a bad day, but I'm not giving up.
Remember this sentence when you feel tired in 2026.
Step 6. Don't try to change your life completely alone.
Change is easier when someone is walking with you.
A friend, a family member, a teacher, an online community, they can all help.
Even writing in the comments can make you feel less alone.
Try these sentences. I want to share my goal with.
I'm looking for someone who also wants to.
For example, I want to share my goal with my best friend.
Or, I'm looking for someone who also wants to practice English in 2026.
Let's make a short dialogue. Do you tell other people about your 2026 goals?
Yes, I want to share my goal with my sister. She supports me.
That's great.
And I'm looking for someone who also wants to exercise regularly. It's easier with a partner.
I agree. Having a partner helps you stay motivated.
And you can motivate them too.
You, listening, don't have to do 2026 alone.
You can share your goals in the comments, and maybe you will find people with similar goals.
Now, let's put all 6 steps together in one conversation.
Listen and see which sentences you recognize.
In 2026, what do you want your life to be more like?
In 2026, I want my life to be more peaceful.
And what is the main area you want to improve?
The main area I want to improve in 2026 is my mental health.
That's very important. What small step will you start with?
I'm going to start with one small step. I will take a 10-minute walk every day without my phone.
That sounds great. How does English fit into your 2026 life?
In 2026, I want to use English to grow. This year, I'm planning to listen to one English podcast every day while I walk.
That's a smart combination. What will you do when you have a bad day?
I had a bad day, but I'm not giving up. I'm going to start again tomorrow.
And are you doing this alone?
No, I want to share my goal with my close friend, and I'm looking for someone who also wants to build better habits in 2026.
That sounds like a strong plan.
Step by step, 2026 can really be better.
Quick recap. Today, you learned 6 simple steps to change your life better in 2026.
Get clear about what you want, choose one area, turn big dreams into small actions, add your life to your English, expect bad days and keep going, and don't change alone.
Now, it's your turn. In the comments, write 3 sentences. In 2026, I want my life to be more. The main area I want to improve is, and I'm going to start with one small step. I will.
Your comment is not just homework. It's the first action for your 2026 change, and it might inspire other learners too.
If this episode helped you think about your life and practice English, please like this video right now.
And subscribe to the English Brain for more easy English listening practice every week.
Remember, 2026 doesn't change in one big moment.
It changes in many small moments, and you can start one of those moments today.
It was nice talking to you. Share your 2026 steps in the comments and see you in the next episode.